Good morning, class 9. Today I am going to explain about the physical nature of matter. The first part is, on the basis of physical nature, scientists believe that the nature of matter may be continuous or it may be particle-like. Sometimes scientists believe that matter is continuous in nature, like a sheet of glass, block of wood, whereas other scientists believe that matter is made up of particles like that of sand. So, to understand the nature of matter, whether it is continuous or particle-like, a sheet of glass is taken. A sheet of glass is taken. When this sheet is taken, it appears to be continuous in our hands. Clear? It appears to be continuous when it is taken in our hands. But when this sheet of glass is thrown on the floor, then it will undergo breakage into pieces. This sheet of glass now break down into various small pieces, tiny particles. This indicates that matter possesses particle-like nature. Therefore, from this example, it was made clear by the scientist that matter is not continuous, but matter is made up of small particles. In fact, all the matter in this universe is made up of small particles, and the size of these particles is very small, that these particles or individual particle of matter is almost invisible to naked eyes. Now, next point is about the size of particle. How small are these particles? To estimate the size of particles, an activity was performed. An experiment was performed by using the crystals of potassium permanganate. This KMNO stands for potassium permanganate. Commonly, this potassium permanganate is named as लाल दवाई. कॉमन जो बेटा इसका नेम होता है उसको हम लाल दवाई बोलते हैं. Crystals of potassium permanganates are taken, and the crystals of this potassium permanganates are violet or dark pink in color. So, for the experiment, 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate are taken and are dissolved in 10 ml water taken in a test tube. A test tube is taken which is filled with 10 ml water. To this test tube, having this 10 ml water, few crystals of KMNO4 are added to it. 2 to 3 crystals are added. When these crystals undergo dissolution, the color of this test tube solution or the color of water in the test tube changes to dark purple or dark pink. The color changes to dark pink or dark purple. Now, the next step done was that another test tube was taken which is filled with 9 ml normal water plus 1 ml of this colored dark purple solution. इसमें 9 ml normal water लिया है और 1 ml solution इसमें से यहाँ पर हमने ट्रांसफ़र कर दिया. Now the solution in this test tube again appears to be colored, but the intensity of color goes on decreasing. Color becomes lighter and lighter. Again, in a third test tube, 9 ml normal water is taken and 1 ml solution is transferred from the second test tube to this third test tube. Again, the test tube shows presence of color, but in this case, the color will be more lighter as compared to the second one. In this way, the experiment goes on repeating by adding 1 ml of solution from the preceding test tube to the next test tube, and it was appear that up to the last test tube there will be appearance of color and the intensity of color becomes lighter and lighter, and up to the last the color become very lightest. So from this experiment it was concluded that there are millions of tiny particles. Tiny means small size particles. It means there are millions of tiny particles present in one crystal of potassium permanganate. Even the single crystal of potassium permanganate which is visible to us, suppose this is the crystal of potassium permanganate, it is visible clearly to us. It means this single crystal even consists of millions of tiny particles of potassium permanganate, and these tiny particles keeps on dividing into smaller and smaller number with each dilution. With each dilution, these crystals which we have added previously in the test tube, these crystals goes on dividing into smaller and smaller number of particles with dilution, thereby giving lighter and the lightest color. The same experiment can be repeated by using Dettol instead of potassium permanganate in water. If we use Dettol instead of potassium permanganate in water, it was observed that with each dilution the smell becomes less and less intense, but the smell can be easily detected in the last test tube. From this experiment, it was clear that matter is made up of extremely small particles which cannot be seen even with the help of a powerful microscope. The particles which we see is actually an aggregate of tiny particles. For example, we have a drop of water. Suppose we have taken a drop of water. Actually, this drop of water consists of 10 raised to power 21 molecules of water. Only then this drop of water is visible to us. The single drop of water is formed by aggregation of 10 raised to power 21 molecules of water. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the characteristics of particles of matter.